Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Brunette Dry Shampoo is probably one of the most essential products for brunettes. It's a lifesaver on those busy mornings or when you're simply skipping a wash day. This video will dive deep into the world of dry shampoos specifically designed for brunette hair, exploring what makes them stand out, how to choose the right one, and how to get the most out of them. Get ready to say goodbye to oily roots and hello to fresh, voluminous hair. Number 5. Acure Brunette Dry Shampoo, Refresh and Color Care. Is your hair looking a little lackluster? This dry shampoo is the perfect solution to refresh your look. It's designed to bring back the vibrancy of your brunette hair. Need a quick clean? This dry shampoo is your go-to for absorbing oil and grime. It's a fast and easy way to refresh your hair without water. This dry shampoo is enriched with cocoa and rosemary. These organic ingredients nourish your hair and scalp, leaving it feeling healthy and clean, without any sticky residue. Save time and skip the daily wash. With just a few spritzes, you can cleanse and rejuvenate your hair instantly. It's perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go touch-ups. Acure is committed to vegan and cruelty-free beauty. The product uses premium ingredients and is free of parabens, sulfates, and mineral oil. You can feel good about using it. What we like? This dry shampoo enhances your hair color, making your brunette tones glow. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your hair without water, perfect for busy days. If you have color-treated hair and need a convenient solution, this is the choice for you. What people say. I love this dry shampoo for darker hair so that I am not seeing any white residue in my dark brown hair. It also works nicely to absorb the oils and refresh my style for another day or two until wash day. Winky face. So simple, nice light powder, works incredibly well, keeps my blowout looking fresh all week. This one is vegan, and while I'm totally not vegan, I do appreciate natural as I am very sensitive to chemicals, scented products, and skin-irritating ingredients, so if you are too, this is a great option. It's light but effective. This is not as dark of a color as shown, but it still blends in well with brown hair. No absorb tanta grasa ni de tanto volumen como los productos en spray aplicando una cantidad equivalente. Sin embargo hay que aplicar más polvo para lograr resultados parecidos al spray. No deja residuos visibles. I googled best dry shampoos and this was recommended. My hair is light brown and the brunette one is perfect. A little goes a long way and I feel like I'll have this one bottle for a while. This does the job but you need heaps more product and can be quite messy to administer but safer to use in the long run. Number 4. I Do Care Tap Secret Dark Brown Dry Shampoo. Welcome to the world of I Do Care. We're all about fun skincare that's good for you and the planet. Our products bring the joy of K-beauty while keeping sustainability in mind. Meet Tap Secret Dark Brown, your new best friend for fresh hair. This benzene-free, ultra-fine dry shampoo comes in a convenient 7G tub. It's hypoallergenic and non-aerosol, making it a guilt-free way to refresh your look. Tap Secret Dark Brown is designed to instantly refresh your hair. The fine powder absorbs excess oil, sweat, and dirt, leaving your hair looking and feeling clean and voluminous. It's perfect for those busy days. Clinical tests show impressive results. It reduces scalp oiliness by 90% and improves hair volume by 7.6%. You'll see and feel the difference immediately. It's a product that people love. The fine powder effectively absorbs excess oils, sweat, and dirt from your hair and scalp. This ensures a longer-lasting fresh look. This product helps you maintain a fresh look all day long. What we like? This dry shampoo is designed to strengthen and volumize your hair while effectively absorbing oil. The non-aerosol formula is gentle and easy to use. If you are looking for a travel-friendly option that delivers immediate results, you should consider this. What people say. The applicator container is wonderful. It creates like a dust cloud when you stamp it so that way it distributes over your hair without using too much product, but you have to be careful because it's easy to use too much. I have consistently gone 2 to 3 days without washing my hair using this stuff, and with very little touch-up. I actually even wear it down. It essentially mattifies my hair instantly without rubbing it in. Monday evening and my roots are still non-greasy and volumized, without any reapplication. Number 3. HASK Chia Seed Volumizing Dry Shampoo Kit. Tired of washing your hair every day? This dry shampoo is the perfect solution. It helps you extend the life of your style, making your hair feel cleaner than ever. This lightweight formula quickly absorbs oil and sweat. It's designed for all hair types, leaving your hair refreshed and revitalized. The secret ingredient is chia seed, cultivated in South America. These tiny seeds are packed with hair volumizing proteins and have a pleasant floral tea scent. This dry shampoo is aluminum-free. It uses ultrafine rice starch infused with chia seed powder to gently cleanse your hair. The kit includes two 6.5 ounces cans of dry shampoo. It's also free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, gluten, and artificial colors. Get clean, voluminous hair without the hassle of washing. This product is a game changer for your hair care routine. What we like. This dry shampoo extends the life of your style, making your hair cleaner than the first day. Infused with chia seed, it adds volume and freshness. If you like a lightweight formula that keeps your hair soft and clean, you should choose this. What people say. This is best dry shampoo I've tried. It doesn't dry out your hair like many other brands. It cleans well and is a great value for the cost. It really adds volume to your hair, so mine looked like I just had a blowout. Number 2. Kristin's Brunette Dry Shampoo. Introducing Kristin's Brunette Dry Shampoo, perfect for dark and brown hair. This dry shampoo is designed to refresh your hair and absorb excess oil, leaving it feeling clean and revitalized. This dry shampoo is a time-saving solution for all hair types. It quickly absorbs oil, making your hair look and feel fresh without washing it. The neutral brown tint blends seamlessly with darker hair colors. You won't have to worry about any white residue. It's designed to be invisible. It also features zip-up technology, a strengthening complex that helps repair split ends and protect your hair from damage. It helps to smooth the appearance of damaged cuticles. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, and free of sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. You can feel good about using it on your hair. This dry shampoo makes dirty hair feel fresh and clean. It's the perfect way to extend the life of your style and keep your hair looking its best. What we like. This dry shampoo effectively absorbs oil and blends seamlessly with darker hair colors. It also features zip-up technology to strengthen hair. If you are looking for a product that not only cleans but also cares for your hair, you should consider this. What people say. Works well on my dark brown hair when needed. I can use this dry shampoo and no one notices my gray shining through. The coverage is amazing. I have tried other dry shampoos, but Kristin's does not leave my hair dry. My hair is so smooth and shiny, I use this even when I don't need a touch-up. The brunette coloring of the product never show in my hair. It goes in pretty smooth and undetectable texture-wise. It helps give my hair a little volume. I have very oily hair, so I use it on clean hair as well. Number 1. Kitsch Dry Shampoo, Volumizing Powder, Unscented, 8G. Tired of oily hair? This dry shampoo is perfect for both women and men. It absorbs oil and adds volume without any water needed. Specifically designed for dark hair, this powder blends in seamlessly. It keeps your roots fresh and clean without leaving any visible residue. Whether you're looking for texture or volume, this product delivers. It adds natural lift and grip, making styling effortless. Made with organic ingredients, this formula is non-aerosol and free of parabens and benzene. It's gentle enough for sensitive scalps. This compact 8G container is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It includes a built-in puff applicator, ideal for travel, work, or the gym. What we like. This dry shampoo is specially tinted for dark hair, ensuring no white residue. It adds texture and volume, perfect for effortless styling. If you like a product that is unscented and easy to use on the go, you should choose this. What people say. Goes on so easy, just tap along the hairline and swipe it through. Love that it's a dark powder which matches my dark brown hair. No white cast. It is a powder, but the way it works is like a beauty blender inside of the cap. When you press it against the powder side, the perfect amount goes onto the sponge-like top. You take the cap sponge and rub it into your roots. Once you've done all the roots, you just wait a couple minutes and then brush your hair out and no more oily hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.